Stop this thing now. No, no, sir, repair car. Only stop. Ow. Only stop now. Only stop. Only stop now. I didn't do motor now. Calm down. Stop. No, sir, I can't repair. If I finish, we will go down inside. Oh, God. Hey! Calm down. Oh, God. Ali. Ali. Stop now. What is your car? Come, let's go and eat. I'm looking for you. This is your car. Yes, see what the Arab are doing here. I think I spread it there. So what is he doing here? What are you doing with it?
What are you trying to say? Are you trying to pretend like you don't know what you are doing to me when I was in the car?
You come and let me take it.
Hey, stop. Then they turn to all those untouchable. Then they turn to all those pranksters. You know which day when they start all these things? When are they repair car? They dispatch one thing. When are they repair car?
Jesus.
In Ayala.
I don't like all this you play when you play.
When did I do that? Are you okay? Oni, I don't understand. It's okay, Jerry. Stop all this play. Let's go inside, Joe. Come and eat. The rough play is too much. Let's go and eat. Let's go inside, Joe. Come and eat. This your rough play is too much.
Madam! Yeah, Madam, come!
What's going on here?
Madam, what is it now? Why are you dragging my sister like this?
You're waiting!
My little sister, why are you dragging her?
Oga, na person wey dey discover you. Oga, I talk am. Jesus, I dey tell you. I dey see am. I can't.
He's not here.
Shut up your mouth.
Hey, madam, stop now. Why are you harassing my sister like this? My sister cannot do that. Stop it.
Only calm down. Relax, calm down. Oga, you notice so long. You lifted my bola.
Jesus!
You lifted my trouser. You lifted my bola. What am I saying? Thing. Madam, I think that you are the one. Madam, I dey tell you what I'm telling you is true. I saw. Yes. Hey, come down.
Leave her. I do not believe you. My sister cannot do that. Yes. You go. You like gossip.
Only calm down. Wait. Let I go where? Wait. I'm calm down. Okay. I know you very well. God bless you. You are a very good cooker for this house. Everybody know you. See, I noticed that thing. Are you the one that do it? No. Yes. Madam. Yes. Madam. If you don't talk to her, I will pour you this thing. Where? You remove my trouser. You remove my trouser. I'm asking you, honey.
I did not do that.
Okay, tell your sister. Oh yeah, do you remove my trouser?
Such a thing now.
Talk. I will pour you 1, 2.
Calm down. Don't hurt her. Calm down. You talk.
You remove her. Hey, did you see it? You see her?
Amanda. So you have the audacity.
Okay.
To discover my own husband in my own house.
I'm lying.
I'm not like this for you. This all you talk. Okay.
Madam, don't So you get my 3 words belong to my wife.
God have mercy
I
upon
don't
us.
want to believe it.
See, today, back to you and leave my house. I don't want to see any of you in my house.
No.
Very rubbish people. Nonsense.